Well, if you're planning to take a trip to the Valley of Kashmir, you don't necessarily need to take an expensive flight or drive down all the way. You can take the new Vande Bharat Express. What you can see behind me is the new Vande Bharat Express, the first ever train to run between Delhi and Srinagar. And it has a lot of modern high-tech amenities to make the passengers feel comfortable and of course enjoy the scenic journey. Let's go inside and show you how it looks from inside. Welcome to the all-new Vande Bharat Express. So, if you look at it, it's just like any other Vande Bharat Express. If you have travelled in a Vande Bharat, this is the executive chair car, which we are standing here in an executive chair car right now. So, massive spacious seats. Of course, it is fully air conditioned. I'll just like to show how there are grids for the air conditioning. And these air conditioners obviously become heaters when the temperature outside is too low. One of the key things in this Vande Bharat particularly is that this toughened glass maximizes the security. So it is a 4 mm glass from outside. There is an inert gas layer in between, and then there is another glass pane from this side. So it maximizes passenger safety. So it's not like something can break it or something can happen to the glass. Now the best thing about this Vande Bharat, since it's going to Srinagar, is the fact that you can sit on these spacious chairs and look out of this beautiful big window onto the serene valley, of course. And let me just show you one of the great things about this Vande Bharat train. Of course, it is a feature in all the Vande Bharat trains that this particular car, this particular chair is totally revolvable. It's 360 revolvable. So you can just sit, rotate your chair, sit in this beautiful chair, rotate it, and just look outside the window for beautiful, beautiful scenes, specifically when you're going to a place like Srinagar. So there are a lot of safety and security innovations in this. It's a very high-tech train. One of the things that is that is a revolutionary thing in this Vande Bharat train, which is not particularly present in other Vande Bharat trains, is the fact that this air conditioning, the internal central heating system, is generally just in the coaches, but in this particular Vande Bharat train, this system has also been introduced in the lavatories of the train, so that when you are traveling on the Vande Bharat and particularly going to a place which can see sub-zero temperatures, this entire foyer area is also has a heating system, so you don't feel the change in temperature when you come out of the coach. Now let's get into the chair car. What we saw right now was the executive chair car. This is the chair car area, which is slightly cheaper in the ticket price, but very spacious, very nice. There is a lot of leg room, and if you can see, there are charging points over here under every seat so that you can comfortably charge your phones and use your phones while you're traveling. So even though it's not as big as the executive chair car, if you can see, there is a lot of space, there is a lot of leg space. It's very comfortable for people to sit, and again, big windows to see out of these windows, look at the serene valleys while you're traveling to a place particularly like Srinagar. So now this is the central part of the train. Of course, it opens up in these tables so that you can comfortably eat your food, and food is also one of the things that is great on the Vande Bharat Express. It has been well appreciated that the pantries are very clean and the food is very nice. So let me just now take you to where this Vande Bharat is operated from and show you what are the innovations that have been put in place so that the drivers don't face any issues because of the extreme weather in Srinagar. Let's go. Now we are in the central control of this Vande Bharat Express. This is where the train is operated from. This is where the drivers of the train are going to be sitting, and these are all the controls that you can see in front of me. The specifically interesting and new thing in this Vande Bharat is this window pane. Now it might look like a very regular everyday train window pane, but it is actually not. If you could see this part of the train, the blackened part, there is a heating strip going on from side to side of this window pane, so that it prevents any kind of fogging. It maintains anti-fogging in this train because it's going to go to a place with sub-zero temperature so that it doesn't freeze or it doesn't fog at all. And to maximize the safety of this train, there is a heating strip inside this entire window pane. Of course, you can see the coverage provisions over here and a lot of controls. Of course, this entire cabin is also air conditioned and centrally heated for the comfort of the train driver. ever. Now let me show you, there are a lot of high-tech innovations also being done from outside of the train, because there is a specific heating provision for the water tanker, there is a specific heating provision for the engines of the train, so that when it goes to a sub-zero temperature, it does not malfunction. Let's go outside and show you what else is new in this Vande Bharat train. So, well, as I told you that the Vande Bharat Express, this new Vande Bharat Express is not just different from inside but from outside as well. So, as you can see here, this is the water tank of the train, and usually this is not this big, but this is an insulated water tank. The outside jacket that you can see is to protect the heating pad from inside. So, this particular water tank has heating strips and heating pads inside, so that when the train travels to Srinagar, the water inside the tank does not freeze and it can be used. So there are a lot of heating pads inside it, and to protect those heating pads, there is an insulation jacket on top of this water tank. And as you can see from all of these water pipes that are running through the train, these are usually very, very small, but because there are heating pads inside it, heating strips inside it, there is an insulated jacketing on all of these pipes, as well as a lot of these tanks as well. Now let me just show you in the front of the car. You can see there is another small water body over here. It is also insulated because it has heating strips inside. Now this particular water tank is used, it's a small water tank, it's used for the wipers of the train in front of the train, for the front window glass, so that it does not freeze in sub-zero temperatures. It has been equipped with the water strips and the water pads, the heating water pads. So all in all, when this train goes to a sub-zero temperature like Srinagar, it ensures that the technology is such that all the water bodies and all the water containers inside the car, be it used for a lavatory or be it used for the pantry or the front window panes, do not freeze in such temperatures. Well, a lot of new features, a lot of tech innovations in this particular new Vande Bharat train that is going to become the first train to run from Delhi to Srinagar, to a beautiful, beautiful space. So, of course, spacious interiors, beautiful interiors, big window panes, and a lot of heating arrangements for sub-zero temperatures. This particular train is going to run from Delhi and to Srinagar, and has the maximum speed of 190 kilometers per hour. Now, when it's going to start from Delhi to Srinagar, we are still waiting for the official announcement, but that is all you needed to know about the new Vande Bharat Express that is going to run from Delhi to Srinagar. In New Delhi, this is Shivani Bajaj.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV 18 on all of our digital platforms.